I'm Jamie Fogel, and I'm a data center architect. We are an IT and web product services provider to U.S. hospitals and healthcare systems. We also deliver data center co-location services and full IT outsourcing suite of products and services. In that data center, which is comprised of approximately 25,000 square feet, we have about 300 racks that are deployed right now, and we utilize a lot of the infrastructure components from Raritan. With the Raritan products, we are able to provide remote power control to our clients using the DSIM Power IQ monitoring system and power management. We have DC Track deployed to help us monitor and manage some of the assets that are in those racks and be able to know where they are and how they're being used in the DSIM environment or in that data center environment. Prior to deploying the DSIM Power IQ solution and the Raritan switched PDUs, our clients would have to call us and ask for someone to go into the data center and reboot their servers when they had an issue, or in order to get access remotely, they would have to actually come out on site and get connected locally so that we could allow them to manage their own systems. By utilizing the command center from Raritan and the Power IQ management software, we were able to eliminate both of those different steps. We have a lot more consistency in our data center since the time that we started deploying the Raritan products, whereas we now have a systematic approach to the design, the configuration, the layout, and the standardization of the services and products that we offer to our clients, which gives us a lot better environment. When you walk in, you don't see a lot of clutter. You don't see disorganization. What you see is a very uniform look. You see very uniform services being provided, and it's a very consistent approach in every way in the data center. So from a power standpoint, all the way through to the way that we deliver that service and manage it, our customers have the same solution every single time. The deployment process of the Raritan equipment and software was very smooth. They held their hands through the beginning process, and once we got up and running with the solution, we were able to continue developing that in the same manner as what we started because of the training that we had, or the online videos and some of the other things that are available in the support portion of their website. Raritan was selected for a number of reasons. One thing that we looked at was, is the technology better or different? And in a lot of ways it is better with Raritan. But the thing that stood out the most for us was the customer service. The level of commitment that they make to their customers, the feeling of being included in the process of actually discussing some of the challenges that you face on a day-to-day basis really was the icing on the cake as far as determining what solution we would go with. And Raritan was by far the leader in that for us, because when we had an issue with anything, they were there. When there was something that we didn't like, they changed it. Those are the things that made us choose Raritan and stick with Raritan throughout